All right. Thursday open. Let's get it. So, something really uneventful happened, and I overtraded, and I wasn't disciplined enough, and I did not leave the screen, and basically, we busted down to $800. Now, we're gonna try to climb out of this hole with putting in two minis. We got $1,500 left of drawdown, which is not bad. And we're gonna try climbing out of it, and let's see if we can make some more profit. Let's see if we can make profit on top of gaining our money back. And we're gonna have to settle a discussion at the end of this video about what I did. And we're gonna have to set some rules. I'm gonna set some rules for myself, even better rules. So, right now, nothing really out of the ordinary until 17:00 Belgium time, EIA crude oil inventories, which is not too important. Now let's see, because we have a tiny gap, so we have like 2 more minutes until market open. So let's see. So see if I can get long here. See if we can actually like get above the 45s. This looks good for a push, not a dump. Let's see if we sucker in the shorts, only to then rip higher. See how the open will be. There it is. We're ripping. "21 seconds. Let's move a break even. Want to take profit up there, 48s. There it goes. 52s. I mean, come on, guys. Okay, so yeah. I just made $700 in a single blasted freaking win. What was this? 1 minute and 35 seconds. Yeah, we're still down 54 bucks, which is absolutely insane. Well, guys, let's continue trade with one whole mini, and let's see if we can make some profits. What is the play that I want to see? Okay, so let's talk about the play that I want to see. And also, let's talk about some rules, some ground set rules that I'll have to respect from now on, because this is insane. There's the prior resistance. There's the prior resistance, guys. I'm gonna put it one here. Okay, down $200. We're fine. Retest this prior 50 area. We wicked up there. Let's be very careful. Gonna try maybe a stab long. $65s. Move it up to break even. Stopped out. We're only down $200, exactly within our daily loss limit, which is not bad. Okay, trading drawdowns going absolutely fine. Okay, try this one out. Do we have enough strength to push? I don't think so. Nope. We're down $400. This is not good. I think we're gonna walk away because, I mean, no. This is not good. Up there into the 70s, stop right here. We're gonna hold it 20 points or higher, maybe 75s. I think this will push. Got a good chance of pushing. Move it to break even. 75s, maybe even the high of days there. Gonna keep moving my stop up. 58s. Gonna let it do its thing here, because I believe it wants to keep pushing. Up there 76s, move the stop at the recent candle. Get above that 70 area. And we're good. Down 282s. This is how it feels to trade the minis, guys. By the way, I will actually... Let's go to the charts a little bit because, oh crap, no. That wasn't what I want to do. Alright, let's go to the charts a little bit, let's study. Top of the range is out there. Top of the range is 183s. And now we're passing it. There we go. Let's make sure this isn't a double top. So, top of the range is somewhere up there. We got a lot of resistance coming up into these areas, the 80 areas. So right now we fill the gap on the QQQ. ES also above VWAP. ES above the VWAP, Nasdaq above VWAP. The idea it would be to maybe push above the 83s, retest this 80 area, and then keep going higher above the 200s. That would be the play that I want to see at the moment. We're at this key level here. There's a pivot point right here, so we need to get above it. We need it. Crucial. ES retesting the pivot. ES is actually dumping, which is a bad indicator because the Nasdaq might follow. That's the thing. Take it off right there. Very nice. 205. What was that? $80? Yeah, that was $80. Okay, so let's see. What are one of the key levels that we can maybe down there into the VWAP continue higher? Yeah, sure. Yeah, no, the ES is oof, it's tricky. ES kinda oof. I mean, boys. However, because the ES is dumping, I believe that the Nasdaq will follow through strongly, or maybe not, unless the ES finds some support here and decides to go back up. Not optimal. I'm gonna just stay out, you know. So I want to see the play. What would be one of the plays that we want to see for the short side? Well, I believe that if we get a below this 40 area, I believe there's a good chance for us to maybe dump. But considering we have some resistance right here, I believe the 40s would only be appropriate to test and then go back up. The ES, let's see, does it snap through? Yes, it does. It's dumping like never before. Like never before, guys. It's dumping. There we go. There's the 40 area. Do we get a tiny? I don't think there's any point for me to get long here because there's this big wick on the 15-minute chart. So I think a short would only be appropriate. But not sure how this will play out at this level. Yeah, this is how it will play out. Yep. Swept some liquidity to the upside, and then now I guess now we're gonna continue. The optimal also right now, if you want to see, always adapt while you see it, retest the 40s and continue. I don't know if we're gonna get that, boys. What's the ES doing? Okay, ES is wicking. This might be a good sign, as the Nasdaq sometimes follows the ES, and sometimes it's vice versa. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. There's this whole bunch of resistance support down here. So let's color this white. No, not white. Let's color this blue. So if you can get through this area down there to the hundreds, come back, retest this 110, 118, and then continue lower to the bottom of the range, of the hourly range right here, 70s, you know, isn't a bad place, so to speak. There it is, there's the hundreds, there's the 100 level. It's great. There it is, there it is, there it is, guys. There's a 100 level. Let's see if we can push back up into this prior resistance 116s. Give me filled. I'm gonna try a short. Looking for a low point. Gonna let it run, see how we react to this point here. I'm gonna have a stop just in case. What we want now is a continuation. If not, it's just gonna get us out. There we go. Gonna move my stop. I'm not gonna be as stupid as to keep it up there. I think we want to make new highs, new lows on the day. Let's think quickly. Bring it down to break even. Just above the hundreds, cracking the hundreds. Come on, snap it. Actually, no, I'm gonna drag this into the... Keep going lower, 79s. Ah, crap, come on. We're just down $100. Damn it. Damn it, now it's gonna go. Yeah, now it's going. Freaking A. Yeah, there it is. Freaking A. There's the 80s. God damn it. God freaking damn it. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, bottom of the range. There it is. There it is, guys. That was the setup. That was the initial setup. Bottom of the freaking range. Question is, do we find support? Do we actually go back up to the hundreds, snap the bottom of the range, and go down there maybe 60s? It isn't a bad idea. Would not be the worst idea actually. But as you know, guys, we have to keep those losses small. A push into the hundreds would be optimal, but if we can't get it, that's okay. This long here was insane though. This long for $770, that's insane. That's the power of a mini, guys. It just, when it decides to go, it goes, you know. It makes you a bunch of money. But it can also lose you a bunch of money, so be careful of those. Okay, so this is wiki here. I don't trust just selling at the bottom here. I know I have done a lot of undisciplined stuff. Look at this, 29 trades, just ridiculous. The trade fees and commissions, this is just absolutely ridiculous. What is this? This is ridiculous. I'm gonna walk away, and tomorrow Friday I'm gonna be very careful what I do. I might just record my session for 10-15 minutes and then just walk away, because I feel like I need the weekend off and to recharge my brain, because this was not the best week, so to speak. There it goes. Sweet. God damn it. Shit. Damn it, bro. A pullback into the 100s would be awesome. I don't know if I'm gonna play the pullback, but at some point there it is. There's the pivot. God damn it. My head's not in the game, guys. Today my head is not in the game. Wow, it is not in the game. Getting long here, selling one very quickly. Gonna take it off right there. Down $21. God damn it, boys. I think we're gonna start trading the minis from tomorrow, because we're gonna have to like hurry a little bit. I don't know. There it is. There's the pushback up there. Trailing drawdown. Trailing drawdowns looks awesome. I think we saved ourselves with that short, with that long. I'm gonna walk away because my head is not in the game. My head is just not in the game, guys. I'm not seeing it straight. And you know what? I'll give you guys a tip, and I will like force myself to stick up to this. We just lost $21. We come back, it's equals to a scratch day. It is fine, guys. But I want you guys to know something. If your head's not in the game, if you can't read it, please take it and walk away. Like, I don't know how much you'd be down. If you're down even a tiny little bit, don't continue trade just because you break even and you can keep going trades because you haven't lost anything. But guys, if you're not seeing it, please do me a favor. Walk away if you're not seeing. Walk away. There's nothing wrong with that. We're here for the long game. And today was actually a nasty day. I'm not going to say I'm proud of how today went, because we dipped. The bottom was literally 844.48. So this could have ended up really badly if another trade would have resulted in a loss. This could have put us in a very nasty spot. So let's see if we can actually get a short. If we can push in the hundreds here, push up there into the hundreds. Let's go. Push the hundreds. Yes, 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 yes. Oh God, don't push too high. Let's see, do we 3 times retest? Look at this, guys. Where's the hourly chart? Hourly chart 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Didn't fail, just kept going straight up. Wow. Gee, good lord, guys. Oh, goodness me. Prior resistance. Tested the bottom of the range and then we kept going higher. Look at that. Look at this. Gonna mark it here, it's much accurate. You can see it much better. Now let's see if we retest the hundreds. 21, 100. Key level. Key level. With 1 mini, it's reasonable to pass. More than 1 mini, I think it's irresponsible. It's what I did today, and I think we've crossed the $30 freaking 30 trade mark. Oh my goodness. Trade fees and commissions are not that much. Actually, they are. Actually, they are now that I look at them. The micro section, I mean, the micro section is just fine, I think. But look at this, guys. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Oh, Lord. $100 level to test. Would be optimal for a long up there, maybe 30s. 30s or higher. 30 points, that would be insane. That would be good. Below the hundreds were bearish. Be aware of that. Yep. What are the charts telling us, guys? What is the 1 minute chart telling us? 1 minute chart is as bearish as you can get it. Push back up there, hundreds, and then continue? I don't know. One last tiny little short here. Get down there, 70s. Get down there, 70s. Great. I'm gonna take it off right there. Guys, I'm happy with this. $185. This was so needed. This was so needed. Good Lord. Resistance here. We got stuck and we dumped. Oh my God. I'm gonna just walk away, guys. This is so I don't know if we got lucky or I think this was a good setup as well to take short. This was a good stab short to take it. I mean, you could have taken it right here at 06s much earlier. Could have got out for a bigger profit. But guys, holy smokers. Holy smokes. I'm getting out. Now, let's walk through what this was, and we're up literally, let's see. Yep, trailing drawdown as clean as ever. I think we pulled the clutch on that one, guys, and I think you guys should be aware that I did not do well today. I think we can all agree on that. Too many trades on the minis, 31 trades on the minis. On the micros, no, it's the same thing. Oh, it's 31 trades both, okay. Oh my God. $185 in profit. I mean, we can't make this stuff up. This setup right here is what put us in green, and I think I'm gonna secure it and run away. And tomorrow we come back, we're gonna keep trading the minis because I think it's time that we sped up a little bit the process, and we're gonna keep it at 1 mini, maybe even 10 micros. So let me put these, no, 5 micros, sorry, which is half of a mini. Gonna keep it straight. So we're gonna set some rules, ground rules at the moment, and I think I will make another video for this. So, what were my mistakes? Too many trades, as you can see. Hold up. I'm gonna change this to blue. Change this one to blue as well. Look at this, guys. Stab short, stop loss just was not determined anywhere. I just did so many mistakes, one after another, one after another, one after another. Let this be a reminder, like, we got saved today, but on some days we won't get saved. And we gotta avoid those at all costs. Like, this was so terrible, terrible, terrible. I don't even deserve this profit right now. So let's be aware. If you lose a trade, guys, that you planned it out for minutes on end, you planned it out, you knew where the setup was, and it gets stopped out, and that's normal. That was a good trade because you planned it out and it just didn't work out. But let this be a reminder that remind yourselves that every single time that you took your setup and you get stopped out, immediately taking another trade afterwards, long or short, will result in an immediate loss. I mean, look at this. I got short here, didn't work out. I got short here, didn't work out. I literally got stopped at the top, only for it to flush further. Look at this. I got long, I got short here only to get stopped. I got short here only to get stopped. I got short here only to get stopped. It just did not work out no matter what I was doing. So put this in your heads, guys. If you take a trade that you planned out on, you take a setup and it doesn't work out, pressing the button immediately to get in another trade will result in an automatic loss. Consider it an automatic loss. And I can promise you, the chances of you winning the very next trade you enter do not exceed 6%. I just got too emotional, I think. Oh my god, I'm gonna take some rest, guys. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Oh my goodness. This would be an optimal short right here, but I'm done. I'm tired. I'm already mentally depleted. I'm gonna make sure that all orders are out. All orders are out. Weekly profit trigger. We're basically at $200 weekly profit, which is not bad. And let's see what we get. Depending how the charts look tomorrow, I will either adjust to 5 micros or 1 full mini. Depends. I've traded the minis before, guys. Do not worry. I just need to have my emotions in check. Oh my god, this was one of those days, guys. I literally became obsessed with having a winner. We gotta be aware of this, guys. Damn, I don't even deserve that 185. I'm getting out, guys. I'm literally skedaddling my ass out. I'm not gonna sit here any longer. Guys, take good care of yourselves. We're gonna come back tomorrow for Friday Open. Tune in. Let's get to 50 subs. Like, subscribe. Let's get to 50 subs. We start live streaming every single day, 15:30 Belgium time. So let's go. Subscribe, like, share, and let's see you guys tomorrow for Friday Open.